add 2, add 1, add 1, minus 3, add 1. What is the answer?
2.
Yes. Next one, zoom your abacus tool. Add 9,
Add 9,
minus 5,
minus 5,
minus 2,
minus 2,
minus 1.
minus 1.
What is the answer?
1.
Yes, very good. Next one, zoom your abacus tool. Add 2, add 1, add 1, minus 3, minus 1. What is the answer? Yes. Next one, zoom your abacus tool. Add 5,
Add 5,
minus 5,
minus 1,
add 2,
add 2,
minus 1,
minus 1,
add 2,
add 2,
add 1.
add 1,
What is the answer?
4.
Yes, very good. Stop that.